Hi, keep yourself away from the hustle and bustle of this life and spend time with this nature. You are created to enjoy the beauty of this nature, calmness of this nature, the singing of birds, and lack of it will cause stress and strain and many diseases in our lives. So set yourself apart from the busyness of life and spend more and more time in the nature. Breathe the pure air. Hear the singing of the birds. Especially if you are suffering from cancer or any such diseases. You need to be outside this nature, in the nature, and breathe this breeze, good calm air. That is one of the, you should not spend your time within the four walls of the hospital or house. Instead, you come out and spend your time in the nature, and that will relieve your stress, strengthen your immunity. That is one of the important factors which will help you. God bless. ഉണരൂ വേഗം നീ സുമറാണി വന്നു ഗായകൻ പ്രേമത്തിൻ മുരളി ഗായകൻ ഓ ഉണരൂ വേഗം നീ സുമറാണി വന്നു ഗായകൻ പ്രേമത്തിൻ മുരളി ഗായകൻ മലരേ തേൻ മലരേ മലരേ